100%. Okay. P0 is the starting account value. Say P0, for example, is $1 million. Give stocks 60%, then $600,000 in stocks. Okay. This much. Put it on. So the weights in stocks and bonds can combine to be 100%. So your starting value is the sum of the two components. The return, called the return, this will be RS. The return here is RB. Okay? So how much you have 1 period later? So 1 period later, I call this B1 is equal to B0 WS. This is amount of stocks. This is gonna earn RS. Okay? And this much in bond is gonna earn RB, the bond return. Okay, combined we call it B1. So last time we derived the return.
Oh man. Man, Baruch, please.
Okay, so the portfolio stock and bond earned this much. Okay, plug this into the formula. Okay, the B0 is everywhere, it will cancel. This becomes W1 WS times RS plus WB times RB. Okay? So you plug in the definition of portfolio return. This is what you have. And you account return for the portfolio or for the account is the weighted average of the stock and bond returns. Okay? So from here, the average return or the expected return portfolio is the expected return stocks weighted by the fraction stocks plus the expected return of the bond. Okay. This is the Halloween lecture. So you have the expected return to the average, the weighted average of two components. And the where? The variance of the portfolio. Okay. Since this return is a linear combination of the two components, and the component has a constant, this is the weight, this is the weight. Because these constant numbers, plug this in. This is the formula. got variance weighted by the weight squared, variance weighted by the bound weight squared, plus 2 times the weights, correlation, subdeviation. These 3 terms together is the covariance term. Okay? The last 3 term here is also covariance. Correlation times the standard deviation. Alright? Questions?
What's the last?
This is rho. Rho for correlation. This is sigma S, sigma B. Alright. So, before we move on, what if you typically in the graph as the class stands, you can put money in stocks, put money in bonds, okay? But you don't have to invest all your money. Typically, the pension fund benchmark is 60% stocks, 40% bond. Okay? What if you don't like either one of them? You think stock is too high, P ratio is too high, stock valuation is too rich, or you also think bond is also too high, bond yield is too low, bond price is too high. You can instead of 60% stocks, 40% bonds, you can put 30% in stocks, 20% in bonds. And what happens to the rest of the money? The rest of the money will sit in cash. Okay? So you can think a generalized portfolio can have 3 assets. Okay? So the last one, what is not in stock or bond, that's just cash. Okay? Cash, I put an F, stands for free of the risk. Okay? The money you put in cash, they stay in cash. Okay? Money in cash, they will not change. They just stay in the same dollar amount. Okay? So if we call this the return on S, this return RB, this return
No return.
RF. Okay? I'm sorry. Portfolio. Now you have 3 asset return. Portfolio, stock, bond, cash. So cash, what's the standard deviation of cash return?
0.
It doesn't move. Okay? So we assume the standard deviation of this is 0. Okay? What about the mean? Mean for cash usually slightly positive. Cash is supposed to earn the short-term government bond rate, okay? Federal fund rate, for example. Right now, that's 10, 12 basis points a year, okay? So if we deal with a month, that's pretty small. Let's assume this to be 0. It's for convenience. So just say it's really, really low, okay? So for now, let's say it's 0. So, in that case, the expected return is 3 asset portfolio, stocks, unit stocks, I'm going to use mu S for unit stocks, plus bond, UB, okay? Cash was assumed is 0, so it doesn't enter, okay? What is variance then? Okay, since you assume cash is 0, mean 0 standard deviation, what's the variance of the portfolio in this case?
Square.
Remember, you have 3 terms here. 3-term variance, you can have 6 terms. But anything related to risk-free asset now has 0 variance. Okay? What are the covariance of risk-free asset and the other assets now? is also 0, okay? So what happens to stocks or bonds has nothing to do with how much you will earn for the account, for the money sitting on your checking, okay? It doesn't move together, it's independent, okay? So effectively, instead of 6 terms, it still only has 3 terms. Okay? The covariance SP term. So you can see, formula-wise, if you incorporate cash, variance-wise, it looks the same as before. However, now the W's are different, okay? Previously, you might have 60-40. Now you can have 30-20, okay? So if you park your money in cash, what is the effect on variance of the portfolio return? So if you put some positive weights in cash, then this weights for stocks will be smaller. This weights for bonds will also be smaller, okay? So that'll make the whole variance smaller. What if you have, can you have the weights in cash that's WF to be negative?
Could you repeat that?
Can you have WF to be negative in this term? This term here?
No.
No.
Margin.
Alright, so if you start with 60-40 portfolio, then you have nothing in cash. Okay? 60 stock, 40% in bond, no cash. Then you can move down, you can reduce the exposure, you have 30% in stocks, 20% in bonds. Then you have 50% in cash, right? 30, 20, 50. But you can also go the other way. Okay? Say